Wherever you join from, want to say you are highly welcome to this wonderful encounter. My name is Willie B. Bedell. I am a partner for this program. I'm going to be one of the moderators here. Um,
We started that the volume occupied by a fixed amount of gas is directly proportional to the temperature temperature provided that pressure is constant.
Provided the pressure is constant. And what is the answer?
Take Charles' law.
Charles' law is precise for 10 points.
The closeness of a measurement to its accepted value that of a particular quantity or the physical quantity is referred to as what?
If I may have said your position.
Accuracy.
Accuracy is correct for 10 points.
hello, everybody. Let's give ourselves some time to settle in. Jimmy Jolocon and Nathaniel Van Massaquoi. Let's give ourselves some time to simmer down while Thomas Tappe have already shared the link. I've seen that. So let's get straight into it. To all educational stakeholders in the nation of Liberia, internal and external stakeholders, our school principals, our parents, our sponsors and guardians, and to those who are here for entertainment, and all the student population or the student populace in Liberia, would like to say welcome to the grand finals of the math quiz bowl of the National Quiz Bowl Games for Liberian School. This is the last game. This is the last individual bowl games, and our students are here to showcase that they have the fundamentals, the right fundamentals of algebra, arithmetic, geometry, trigonometry, some level of pre-calculus and calculus. And the students, the performances of these students over the month have been very astonishing. It warrants our stakeholder to invest more into students like these, and supporting our students is going to give us a guarantee that we will have a workforce for engineering, we will have a workforce for technical field, we will have a workforce for hard competitive or analytical field. Why? Because our students are grounded in the fundamentals of mathematics. Having said that, I would like to move over to uh, Jimmy Jolocon. Can you hear me? Jimmy Jolocon, can you hear me? Okay, I think we lost Jimmy Jolocon there for a second. But Thomas Tappe, let me come over to you. Just give us a quick synopsis of what have happened over the month from the point of inception during the test of admittance until last Thursday, the third place game.
So, folks, I want to say thank you for joining us on today's broadcast. Wherever you join from, we want to say you are highly welcome to this grand finale for the Massaquoi Bowl Games Edition 2024. However, on this platform, we try to test our student readiness. We provide a platform for them to showcase their talent, and somehow we also push that scholarship to the best. And we have 3 to 4 different bowl games. We started in the month of January, starting with the language quiz bowl games, and we came to the conclusion of the language quiz bowl game in the first week of February, where we progressed to the social study quiz bowl game and general science quiz bowl game, and this is the last individual quiz bowl game. This is the mathematics quiz bowl game edition 2024. So, folks, we had about 24 schools that started the test of admit. More than 24 schools, but 24 schools were qualified to take part in this bowl game. Out of 24 schools, we are left with 4 finalists, That is the two games that the first game that was played. That is the third play match between uh, College of West Africa and Dream School System. And this is the grand finale between Jimmy Jolocon High School from Montserrado County and the Nathaniel Valley Massaquoi from Bong County. However, Jimmy Jolocon met Dream School System during the third play match, and Jimmy Jolocon was victorious in that match. That what led Jimmy Jolocon to this grand final. Likewise, National Valley Massaquoi met College of West Africa in the third play in the semifinal, and National Valley
All right. So Jimmy Jolocon, let's move over to you, Jimmy Jolocon, to give us your introduction. Jimmy Jolocon, you have 30 seconds to give us an intro.
Thank you so much, Virgin, for the time and the privilege given to be able to introduce my school, representing the Jimmy Jolocon High School, commonly known as the Cobras. I am student accuracy Vanien because of my skills and ability to read poetry. People normally refer to me as Mr. Poet. And because I came to dedicate this game to my mother, orator, I prefer to be called the mathematical orator. I remain the mathematical orator, of course.
Nathaniel Vani Massaquoi, you have 60 seconds to give us an intro.
Yes, veteran, in God we trust. Thank you so much for giving us the privilege to introduce our playing team. For before going through our introduction, I would like to recognize my hard-working coach, Sasamba Benada II. Incidentally, I borrowed me this brilliant mathematician who was there in the dream.
I'm successful Dr. Philosopher Johnson et Dodo. When boosting the first and favorite that the excellent about to do my veteran, I got two to submit.
Oka to Steve saw his summit. Okay, the name remains to a JTP member for today mass. I remain constant.
All right. Thomas Tabe, over to you, and then I'll go straight into the games.
So for today's match, he remained constant. So folks, the name is Thomas Tape Jr. You guys are not strange for the rules and regulations of our government this game. So we apply something during the first game, and it's going to be applied again. If you cannot prove your answer, if you're not convinced of, there'll be a -5 out of your answer. And if that happens again, the game cannot continue or you'll be put out. So that's the major rules that's going to convert this game. So to the both schools, we say, wish you good luck.
All right. Thank you, Thomas. So for those who are watching right now, we say these are some of the finest math students in the country. And when we say in the country, we mean it. We're not talking about Monrovia. This is not a Monrovia thing. We have Jimmy Jolocon from the capital, Montserrado County, and another school is from Central Liberia. That is the Nathaniel Vani Massaquoi School from Central Liberia, Bong County. To put that into perspective, that is to say that education has no boundary, and decentralizing our programs, decentralizing our projects should be key because we have all of the brains that spread evenly throughout the length and breadth. We need to cultivate them, we need to develop them, and we need to grow them. That will lead me into question number one. Jimmy Jolocon, what is your boosting point?
J.
J. Nat Vani Massaquoi, what is your boosting point?
Not.
Not. Let's start this note on a logarithmic expression or equation. Let's start this game on a logarithmic expression. And the question is number one. Solve the log equation. Log base 6 of 2x minus 3 is equal to log base 6 of 12 minus log base 6 of 3. I repeat, log base 6.
Not. 10 seconds.
10 seconds.
7 or 2.
7 over 2. Nathaniel Vani Massaquoi. Proof.
Chaka. Yeah, Pedro is a law basis of 2 and 3 got law basis of 12 minus log B. So we know that log A minus log B is equal to log A or B. So equal to we know that log 12 or log 12 and log 3 will be about 12 or 3 will be about 4. So therefore, the both losses will eliminate from it. 2m and 3 equal 4. We get 4 will be about 2 equal 4 or 3 will be so on. So divide both of us and 2 will be x will be equal to 7 or 2.
What? Come back again. What did you do to log of 6? What did you do to it?
Log of 6, log basis of 2m and 3 equal log basis of 4. You know, log basis of 2m and 3 equal log basis of 4. So right now we know that log A means log A base B equal log C base B. A is going to see when both bases are the same. So they say both bases are the same. We like cancel, then we mean then we lead the number point where 2m and 3 equal 4. 2m and 3 equal 4. Then get 3 equal 2s equal 4 plus 3 equal 7. So 2 equals 7 and 7 equal 2 is what? 7 or 2.
Take 10.
Sorry.
Questions number 2. Questions number 2. The base of a rectangle is 4. The base of a rectangle is 4. And the leg of that rectangle is 3. The width of a rectangle is 2. And the length is x. I repeat the question. The base of a rectangle is 4. And the leg is 3. The width of the rectangle is 2. And the length is x. The right triangle and the rectangle have the same perimeter. The right triangle and the rectangle have the same perimeter. What is the value of x?
J.
Answer. 10 seconds. 1, 2.
Yeah, the value of S is nothing else but 4. S equal 4. S equal 4.
4. Thomas, you remember that question? 4. Fedri was saying 4. Teach me.
Yeah, Fedri, you said the base of the right triangle is 4. The other side of the rectangle is 3, and you give a rectangle which is you stated the length and the width. And to cut the whole question short, you said the perimeter of this triangle is equal to the perimeter of a rectangle. And perimeter in mathematics is the total distance around a plain geometric figure. Now for the triangle, I already having 2 sides, but this will be a right triangle, and I'm not having 3, 4. Definitely, as you have 5. Using my triple or patagometric triple at the or even using a patagometric theory at the other remaining side will be 5. For the rectangle, since you get the length and the width, you know the length, the rectangle is a 4-sided figure. The length and the length will just be the same dimension. If the length is x, for example, the other length will be x. If the width is 2, the other width will be 2. So if you add all, you get 2s plus 4. Equal to 12 on the other side, which is the perimeter of the rectangle. And you solve that equation, 2s plus 4 is equal to 12. 2s will be equal to 8.
Stop it. You're not my player. Take 10. Question number 3.
Math is mathing.
The math is mathing. Question number 3. Find the equation of the tangent line. Find the equation of the tangent line in a form y is equal to mx plus b. I repeat. Find the equation of the tangent line in the equation of the tangent line in the equation y is equal to ms plus b. That should be the form you're giving it to me back in, right? I repeat. Yes, the question. Find the equation of the tangent line of y is equal to cos x at the point parenthesis open pi over 6 parenthesis closes, another parenthesis opens, cos pi over 6 it closes. I repeat the question. Find the equation of the tangent line of y is equal to cos x at the point par over 6, comma, cos par over 6. Par, par over 6, comma, cos par over 6. Find the equation of the tangent line of y is equal to cos x at the point par over 6, comma, cos par over 6.
You said power 6, cos power 6, right?
That's what I said. I give you 20 seconds. Not.
Y is equal to root 3 over 2x plus 15 root 3.
Hold on. Repeat answer.
Y is root 3 over 2x plus 15 root 3.
Y is equal to what?
Root 3 over 2x plus 15 root 3.
Root 3 over 2x plus what? 15?
15 root 3.
15
One
root
5
3.
root 3.
You're wrong. Find the equation of the tangent line of the graph of y is equal to cos x at the point par over 6, comma, cos par over 6. Jimmy Jolocon, you got 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Jimmy Jolocon. Answer. 1, 2.
Yeah.
3.
The equation is y is equal to
6, 7, 8, 9, and time. Jimmy
yeah, tell
Jolocon.
y is equal to minus
Time. Y is equal to minus 1 over 2x plus par 6 root 3 over 12. And that will be your answer. Y is equal to minus 1 over 2x par root 6 root 3 over 12. Thomas Tappe, over to you.
So, folks, if you are just joining us, we want to say you are highly welcome to this grand finale. 3 questions has been read, and the score is 10 points to Jimmy Jolocon and 10 points to Nathaniel Vani Massaquoi. Imagine the 0 in favor of the moderating board. If I march down the weeks, we'll move on to the next 3 questions. The question is question number 4. Question number 4. Nat, are you hearing me?
Yeah. Power Grace.
Jimmy, are you hearing me?
Yeah.
Question is 4, and I read. Given the matrix A in the first row, 1 and 2. In the second row, 3 and 5. Matrix B in the first row, 4 and 6. In the second row, 7 and 8. Find matrix A inverse plus matrix B. Find matrix A inverse plus matrix B. Find matrix A inverse plus matrix B. Nah. You have 10 seconds. What is the answer? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, Patrick. For 3 points, your answer is still be
8, 9, 10. Time. Jimmy Jolocon, the question, and you have about 30 seconds remaining. Given that metric A is equal to 1 in the first row, 1, 2, in the second row, 3 and 5, metric B in the first row, 4 and 6, in the second row, 7 and 8, Find metric A inverse plus metric B. Find metric A inverse plus metric B. Now you have 10 seconds. 10 seconds. 10 seconds.
In the first row, 9 and 4. In the second row, 4 and 9. 9 and 4, 4 and 9. 9 and 4, 4 and 9.
9 and 4 and 4 and 9. Stop lying to me. Freestyle.
Freestyle. Yeah, but it could be -1 and 8. Then it will be 10 and 7.
It could be -1 and 8 and 10 and 7. That would have been precise if you're going to take your time for 10 solid points. But the question is question number 5. And I read question number 5, and I read for both schools. Find the limit of the long rule of 1 plus x minus the long rule of 1 minus x or x as x approaches 0. Find the limit of the long rule of 1 plus x minus the long rule of 1 minus x or x as x approaches 0.
Yeah.
You have 10 seconds. What is the answer? 1. 2. 10 seconds. 3. 4.
Yes. Our
5,
answer here.
6.
Our answer here is nothing else but 1.
Teach me. I want to learn. Teach me. I want to learn.
We need to see you. She said us more. We need to see you.
Yeah.
We're not seeing your face.
Yes,
Please reposition the camera. Yeah, we need to
Yeah.
see you.
Yes.
Okay.
This is a
Yes,
camera. I want to see him.
you said
Go ahead. Proof.
according to the question you read, you said the limit of the long square root of 1 plus x, the long square root of 1 plus x minus the long square root of 1 minus x all over x. So now you say x approaches 0. To solve this limit question, the first thing I want to do, I want to rationalize. In rationalization, I got to take the opposite or the conjugate of the expression in the numerator. So I'll have the root of 1 plus the long root of 1 plus x minus the long root of 1 minus x, or x times in the numerator will be the long square root of 1 plus the long square root of 1 minus x. So now if I simplify the long square root of 1 plus x minus the long square root of 1 minus x in 8 opposite, it will just give me the expression 1 plus x minus 1 minus x, and the minus sign will affect what is inside the parenthesis. So yeah, so I'll have 1 plus x minus 1, the long square root of 1 plus the long square root of 1 minus x. So I'll notice that if I add in the expression up, adding left hand, I have 2x all divided by x, the long square root of 1 plus x plus the long square root of 1 minus x. X will get cancelled for in the 2x.
Steve, we are not my players. My player can continue from there. 10 points.
He said 2x. He didn't say 2. He said 2x.
10 points. And that was question number 5. The question was question number 6, first half. And the score is 20 points to Jimmy Jolocon and 10 points to Nathaniel Vanny Massaquoi. The question is question number 6, and I read for both schools. Question number 6, and I read: Jack is twice as old as James. Jack is twice as old as James, and Sam is 3 years younger than James. Jack is twice as old as James, and Sam is 3 years younger than James. 5 years ago, the sum of their ages was 38 years. Find their current ages. Find their current ages. I read again. Jack is twice as old as James, and Sam is 3 years younger than James. 5 years ago, The sum of their ages was 38 years. Find their
Nah.
current ages.
Not.
Not, not. You have 10 seconds. What is your answer? One, two, three,
Yes, brethren.
4, 5, 6, 7,
Yeah.
8,
Uh, Jim
9.
and Jim will be equal to 5 years, and Jack will be equal to 10 years, and Lalo and Sam will be equal to 2 years.
Stop lying to me. Stop lying to me. I can't accept
Brethren,
that. Stop lying to me. Jimmy Jolocon, you have 30 seconds. The question. Jack is twice as old as James, and Sam is 3 times younger than James. 5 years ago, the sum of their ages was 38 years. Find their current ages. Now you have 20 seconds.
J.
Yeah, now you have 10 seconds. What is
Take
the answer?
14 years, 11 years, and 28 years. I can't make you my answer. 14 years, 14 years, 11 years, and 28 years.
I want to be variation fluent. Variation fluent. Ooh. Teach me. I want to learn.
Yeah, you said, you said, oh, on the problem, you said Jack is twice as old as Eric, right? First of all, he gave three separate person individual ages. He talked about it. So I represent them by X, Y, and Z. My first equation I got was Y is equal to 2X, which is by letting one person, the person that is twice as old as their friend, Y will be equal to 2X. And my second equation was, he said one person is younger than the first individual. The first individual is 3 years younger. One person is 3 years younger than the first individual. That is Z is equal to X minus 3. And the last one, which I told you, said 5 years ago, their sum of that age was 38, meaning that all of the ages will be subtracted by 5. X minus 5, Y minus 5, Z minus 5. If you add all of these, it will be equal to 38. But in the first expression you given, I have equation 1, Y is equal to 2X. So plugging 2X for Y in our expression and plugging S minus 3 for Z, I'll have the expression S minus 5 plus 2S minus 5 plus S minus 3 minus 5. Adding all of that expression, I'll get 4S minus 18 is equal to 38. If I send 18 across, I'll get 4S is equal to 38 plus 18. 38 plus 18 will give me 56. Dividing both about 4, dividing both about 4, S will be equal to 14. Now, one person age is 14 right there. The one that is 3 less, it will be 0 because of 14 minus 3, which is Z is equal to 11. The one that is twice, it will be 2 times 14, which will give me 28. 14 times 2, which is 28.
14 and 2 will give you 28. And the solving, the equation are all accurate. Take 10 points.
That's how we come to the end of the sixth question of the first half. The score remains Jimmy Jolocon from Montserrado County, 30 points, and the Nathaniel Vani Massaquoi High School from Bong County, 10 points. 3 more questions to end the first half. And the question is number 7. Thomas, please watch my bell. The question is number 7. Their odds against Messi scoring a penalty is 2-6. What is the probability of Messi scoring a penalty? The odd against Messi scoring a penalty is 2-6. What is the probability of Messi scoring a penalty?
J.
J.
Jay, you have 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3,
Yes.
4,
Yes.
5.
My answer here is nothing else but take 1 or 2.
Wrong. Wrong. The odd against Messi scoring a penalty is 2-6. What is the probability of Messi scoring a penalty? You got 30 seconds on the clock. 30 seconds. You got 20 seconds. You give you 10 seconds. 10, 9,
Nah.
9, 1, 2,
Take
3.
two or Didi.
Wrong. It's 3 over 4. 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 Odd of Messi is 2 to 6. In favor is 6. Against him is 2. So it's 6 all over 2 plus 6. So it's 6 over 8 equal 3 over 4. Simple. Question is number 8. Question is number 8. A parabola has the vertex 2, 0. A parabola has the vertex 2, 0. If the equation of the parabola in the coordinate plane is y is equal to parenthesis open x minus h, the closest all square plus k, and minus 3, n is a point on the parabola, what is the value of n? I repeat, a parabola has the vertex 0, 2, 0, 2, 0. If the equation of the parabola is in a coordinate plane and has an equation y is equal to parenthesis opens x minus h, it closes all square plus k, and parenthesis open minus 3, n is a point on the parabola, what is the value of n?
Is it par exemple S maintenant et je close your square?
Yes, plus k.
Puis
A parabola has a vertex 2, 0. If the equation of the parabola in the coordinate plane is y is equal to parenthesis open x minus h, it closes all square plus k, and parenthesis open minus 3, n is
J,
a point.
J.
Okay, you have 10 seconds.
10 seconds.
One.
1, 2,
Yeah. Take 16. N is equal to 16.
Wrong. A parabola has a vertex 2, 0. If the equation of a parabola in the coordinate plane is equal to y is equal to parenthesis open x minus h, it closes all square plus k, and parenthesis open minus 3, n is a point on the parabola. What is the
Is
value
it
of
minus
n?
3?
Yes. What is the value of n?
Ah, Federal is a minus 2 aí.
Jimmy, you already won.
You got 10 seconds.
Give me a chance.
1,
Give not chance or stuff.
8. You're wrong. N is equal to 25. N is equal to
Yes,
25.
I don't use
N is equal to 25.
it.
Y is equal to x minus h. H is 2. So y is equal to x minus 2 closest, parenthesis open closest, square plus 0.
Là, le point en haut de nous, il y a minus 2,3 or
No,
minus
minus 3,
3,2.
n. Minus 3, n. Minus 3,
Ah, bah,
n.
yes,
You
yeah,
put minus
man.
3. If you put minus 3 in there, you have 25. 25. The question is number 9. The question is number 9. The last question in the first half. The question is number 9. The last question in the first half. Decompose a partial fraction. Decompose a partial fraction. Nathaniel Massaquoi, are you there?
Yeah.
Decompose a partial fraction. F of x is equal to x squared plus 2x minus 1, or divided by 2x cubed plus 3x squared minus 2x. I repeat, decompose the partial fraction. X squared plus 2x minus 1, or divided by 2x cubed plus 3x squared minus 2x. 30 seconds. Keep solving. Keep solving. Okay, you have your official 30 seconds and our call time. Official 30 seconds and our call time. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. In time. Time. If you're solving, A should be equal to 1 over 2, B should be equal to 1 over 5, and C should be equal to minus 1 over 10. And that should give you the answer to be 1 over 2x plus 1 all over 5 times 2x minus 1 minus 1 all over 10 times x plus 2. Thomas Tape, I'll give the game back to you for the second half.
So, folks, if you are just joining us, this is the grand finale between Jimmy Jolocon High School and that of Nathaniel Vani Massaquoi High School. We have 10 points to Nathaniel Vani Massaquoi and 30 points to Jimmy Jolocon. The margin is 20 points in favor of Jimmy Jolocon. 9 questions has gone, and we are left with 9 more questions. That is 90 points, and we are into the second half. Without much time to wait, we'll move on to question number 1. The question is question number 1, second half, and I read for both schools. Jimmy Jolocon, are you hearing me?
Yeah.
Nathaniel Vani Massaquoi, are you hearing me?
Yeah.
The question is question number 1, second half, and I read. A committee of 4 is to be formed from 6 men and 4 women. A committee of 4 is to be formed from 6 men and 4 women. I read for the last time. A committee of 4 is to be formed from 6 men and 4 women. What is the probability that the committee will consist of exactly 2 men and 2 women? What is the probability that the committee will consist of exactly 2 men and 2 women?
Not.
You have 10 seconds. What is the answer? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah, not take it to be
7.
3 or 8.
3 or 8. You are wrong. 3 or 8. You are wrong. A committee of 4 is to be formed from 6 men and 4 women. What is the probability that the committee will consist of exactly 2 men and 2 women? Change your account. You have 20 seconds. Jay, now you have 10 seconds. What is the answer? What is the answer?
3 or 7.
Correction food. 3 or 8 or 3 or 7 are just one different correction food. Teach me.
Yeah, brethren, you said a committee of 4 is to be formed from 6 men and 4 women. And now you say, in how many ways we can do that? Or we should find a probability we can do that. So the first thing I employ, since you say we should have 2 men and 2 women, my sample space will be, because le total, 16, 10 combination 4 for my sample space in the denominator now. 10 combination 4 give me 210. In the numerator, to have what I want, it will just be 6 combination 2 times 4 combination 2, which will give me 90. And 90
Stay right
or
there.
210.
Stay right there. Stay right there. 90 or 210 is for my up player. 0 cancel 0 now. Going to say 1. Now you divide by 3.
Yeah, Vedran.
Yeah, go ahead.
Vedran.
Yeah.
I have a question. Yeah. You say what the problem of exactly 2 men and 2 women, right?
What is the committee will consist of exactly 2 men and 2 women? Yeah, sure.
Yeah. So by using the binomial coefficient, which is x plus y raised to the power 4. If you use that, if you say going to use 6x squared y squared, if you use that. So if it's coming 6 times 1.
Hello. The first thing is to find the number of ways to form the committee. And like you said, 10 combination 4, that's the number of ways to find the committee. Because that's they ask for the way the committee will be formed with exactly 2 men, 2 women. So 10 combination 4, that's the exact way to find the committee. And from there, you are given a condition. That's why make a combination. That is exactly 2 men, 2 women. So 2 men out of 6, because there are 6. There are 6 men. So 6 combination 2 from the men's side, and there are 4 women. 4 combination 2 on the women's side. So 6 combination 2 times 4 combination 2 will be precise. That is 90 over 210. 90 over 210. It will be 9 over 21, and you divide by 3. 3 going to 9 3 times, and 3 going to 21 7 times. So it's 3 over 7 is precise for 10 points. It's precise and accurate for 10 points. And that was question number 1. The question is question number 2, second half. And I read for both schools. Given that f of x is equal to 3x squared plus 5x plus 2 all divided by x minus 3. I read again. Given that f of x is equal to 3x squared plus 5x plus 2 all divided by x minus 3, and g of x is equal to the long rule of x plus 40, find f of g of 24. Find f of g of 24. Find f of g of 24.
No.
You have 10 seconds. 1.
Yeah. Take 234 over 5. 234 over 5. 234 over 5.
234 over 5. 234 over 5. Teach me.
Yeah, first of all, f of s is equal to 3s squared plus 5s plus 2, all divided by s minus 3. And he said g of s is equal to the long square root of s plus 40. And he said we should evaluate f of g of 24. Firstly, I found g of 24. G of 24 will give me the long square root of 24 plus 40. 24 plus 40 is 64. The square root of 64 is 8. Now, I'm left with finding f of 8. F of 8 will be 3 times will be 8 the closing all square plus 5 times 8 plus 2. will give me 192 plus 40 plus 2 all divided by 8 minus 3, which will give me 5. So if I add 192 plus 40 plus 2, I get 234 all over 5. 234 over 5 is my answer value.
And I gave you 10 points. 10 points. The question is question number 3. Yeah, the score is 50-10. The score is 50-10. The question is question number 3, second tag. And I read, a triangular plot of land. A triangular plot of land has sizes measuring 9 meters, 12 meters, and 15 meters. Find the area of the plot of land. A triangular plot of land has sizes measuring 9 meters, 12 meters, and 15 meters. Find the area of the plot of land.
J, J,
J,
J.
J, J. J, you have 10 seconds. What is your answer? 1.
Now the square root of 2 meters square. Now the root of 2 meters square. Now the root of 2 meters square.
Now the rule of 2 meters square, you are deeply wrong. I can accept that. Now the rule of 2 meters square, you are wrong. You have the remaining time. You have about 40 seconds remaining. Natalie Massaquoi, your question. A triangular plot of land has sizes measuring 9 meters, 12 meters, and 15 meters. Find the area of the plot. You have 35 seconds remaining. You have 30 seconds remaining on the clock. You have 25 seconds remaining. You have 20 seconds on the clock. You have 15 seconds remaining.
Nah.
Not. What is the answer? You have 10 seconds now.
12 with 5, 12 with 5.
12 with 5. 12 with 5 is also wrong. The correct precise answer is 54. The correct precise answer is 54. J.
Yeah, I have an observation value. Yeah, you say a plot of land is given by 9 meters, 12 meters, and 15 meters. Now, since it's in the form of a triangle, it will be a scaling triangle because all the sizes are not equal. So what I'll do, I'll find the semi-perimeter. The semi-perimeter, if you add all that 3 number, give me 36 divided by 2, which will give me 18, right? And now, since I have 18, if I want to find the area, I should use the hero's formula.
Hello?
You get me, veteran?
Okay. Go on.
As you use the hero's formula, we state that the area will be equal to the long square root of S parentheses will be S minus A, and another parenthesis S minus B, and another parenthesis S minus C. Now,
yeah. So let me take it from there. Let me take it from there because I don't want to waste time. So using the hero's formula that you already stated, you'll be having 18. You'll be having 18. That is 18 minus 9 would be 18, 9, 6, and 3. Do you have that?
Let's proceed. Let's proceed. 11, 18, 11, 18.
Thomas, are you there?
Yeah, sure, I'm here. And that was the last question. That was the third question for this question.
All right, this is the grand final. We continue reading. The score is 50 points to Jimmy Jolocon High School from Montserrado County and 10 points to Nathaniel Vani Massaquoi from Bong County. We move on to question number 4, second half. Question number 4, I read. 95% of students at JJ Rabba are between 1.1 meter and 1.7 meter tall. I repeat, 95% of students at JJ Roberts are between 1.1 meter and 1.7 meter tall. Assuming that the data is normally distributed, what is the mean and the standard deviation of the height of the students at JJ Roberts? What is the mean and the standard deviation? I repeat, 95% of students at JJ Roberts are between 1.1 meter and 1.7 meter tall. 1.1 meter and 1.7 meter tall. Assuming that the data is normally distributed, what is the value of the mean and the standard deviation. Forty-five seconds. 30 seconds. Okay, now you have 30 seconds.
Jay,
Jay, 10
Okay,
seconds.
have 2 seconds.
1, 2.
yeah, the standard deviation is 2 and the mean is 1.4.
Wrong. Not. You got 10 seconds. 95% of students at JJ Rao are between 1.1 meter and 1.7 meter tall. Assuming
Yeah,
that, yes,
yeah. The SD there is 3 root 2 over 10, and the mean is 1.4.
wait, hold on. You said what?
3 root 2 over 10, and the mean is 1.4.
Okay, let break 3 root 2 down. 3 root 2 over 10. Give me that in or approximated number.
The 3 root 2 over the 10 on the root. The 10
Yeah, I understand.
is
I heard you. Give me that in approximated number. Approximate that to me. 3 root 2, what is it? Over 10.
is the root of 18 all over 10. The root of 18. But if you put any on the root, it will be
Just hold on.
Hold on. I need real number. Hold on.
I mean, no, be correct.
You said the root of 18.
all over 10.
Over 10.
You're wrong. That would be about 0.4. 0.42. You're wrong. You're wrong. Funny, you see a mistake?
Adrian,
You see a mistake? Or you're on freestyle?
yeah,
Your B is correct.
yeah,
The B is correct. The me is simple 1.4. But we're talking about the normal distribution. I said 95%. If 95%, that means
yeah.
two standard deviation, right?
Two standard deviation, right?
To the
Yeah,
right and
and
two
two
standard
standard
deviation
deviation
to the left. That's what?
on the left.
That what? Total of what? Full.
Four,
Total of
four.
full. Total of full. So it'll be
Yeah,
1.17 minus 1.1 divided by full. That will give you 0.15. 0.15. Question,
let proceed.
question, question is number 5. Question is number 5. Solve the trigonometric equation in the interval of 0 and 2 pi. Solve the trigonometric equation in the interval of 0 and 2 pi. Cos 2x minus 3 sin x minus 2 is equal to 0. Cos 2x minus 3 sin x minus 2 is equal to 0. I gave you 30 seconds, and that's about it. 30 seconds.
Is there P with the equation for the last time? Please.
Cos 2x minus 3 sine x minus 2 is equal to 0. Ten. 9. Answer. 10 seconds. 1, 2,
Yeah.
3.
Take 270 degree. 270 degree.
270 degree. What would that be in the unit cycle?
Yes. 3 or 2 par. 3 or 2 par.
3 over 2 par. Is that all your answer? Modify 1. Modify 2.
Yeah. S is equal to 3 or 2 par, or S will be equals to 150. I can make it S is equal to 3 or 2 par, or S will be equals to 2 par. 2 par. 3 or 2 par or 2 par.
Wrong.
3 or 2 par or 2 par.
Wrong. Solve the trigonometric equation in the interval of 0 and 2 par. And the equation is cos 2x minus 3 sine x minus 2 is equal to 0. Cos 2x minus 3 sine x minus 2 is equal to 0. 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Not. 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Take your answer to be 270 degree or 45 degree or 270 degree.
Give me that in a unit cycle. Give me that power form in a unit cycle. What would that be?
It will be
1, 2, 3, 4.
3 power 2 instead of power 4.
Wrong. So yes, what you gotta do. Hold on. Listen to me. Simple. Listen to me first. Listen to me. Cos 2x minus 3 sine x minus 2 is equal to 0. To solve that using the double angle identity, that will give you.
Yeah, I get on there. But
well, if you get it, pay attention now. Pay attention. It's simple. It gives you what? Minus 2 sine square x minus 3 sine x minus 1 is equal to 0. When we transform that, you get 2 sine square x plus 3 sine x plus 1 is equal to 0. You substitute sine for u because it's a quadratic, right? And you solve for u will be equal to what? Minus what? 1 over 2, comma, and minus 1. Minus 1 over 2.
Yeah, minus 1.
Then you bring it back, transform it back into sine. Sine x is equal to minus 1 over 2, and sine x is equal to minus 1. From the unit cycle, it's 7 pi over 6, 11 pi over 6, and 3 pi over 2. Simple. Question is number 6. I read. A radiator capacity is 16 gallons. A radiator capacity is 16 gallons. If the radiator is full of a 40% antifreeze solution, how many gallons must be drained and replaced with a 75% solution to obtain a radiator of 45% antifreeze solution? I repeat the question. A radiator's capacity is 16 gallons. If the radiator is full of a 40% antifreeze solution, how many gallons must be drained and replaced with a 75% solution to obtain a full radiator of 45% 40% antifreeze solution. I repeat the question one more time. A radiator's capacity is 16 gallons. If the radiator is full of a 40% antifreeze solution, how many gallons must be drained and replaced with a 75% solution to obtain a full radiator of 45% antifreeze solution? Ten seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Time 1, time 2, time 3, time 4, and 5. Time. The answer is 2.29 gallons. 2.29 gallons. 2.29 gallons. The setup is 0.40 times 16 minus 0.40 times x plus 0.75 times x is equal to 0.45 times 16. That is the setup. The answer is 2.29. Thomas Tappe.
On this question number 7, second half, in a reap of both schools. Question number 7. Mary has a total of 100 coins, consisting of 100 nickels and dimes. I read again. Mary has a total of 100 coins, consisting of 100 nickels and dimes. If the value of the coins is $7.10, how many nickels and how many dimes does she have? If the total value of the coins is $7.10, how many nickels and how many dimes does she have? Mary has a total of 100 coins consisting of 100 nickels and dimes. If the total value of the coins is $7.10, how many nickels and how many dimes does she have?
J.
Jake, you have 10 seconds. What is the answer? 1.
Yeah, she have 142 nickel and 710 dimes.
You are wrong. Now turn up running Massaquoi. You have about 30 more seconds remaining on the clock. Larry has a total of 100 coins consisting of 100 nickels and dimes. If the total value of the coins is $7.10, how many nickels and how many dimes does she have? You have 20 seconds remaining.
Yeah. Nah.
Yeah, you have 10 seconds now. What is the answer? 1,
7
3.
7 down and another 8 nego.
7 down, 8 nickels. You are wrong. 58 nickels and 42 dimes were being precise. 58 nickels and 42 Dan square ben plus that. N plus D is equal to 100, that is nickel plus Dan is equal to 100. And the second equation says 5N plus 10D is equal to 710. And just solve for D and solve for N, you will get the value of nickels and Dan. Simple equation. The question is yeah, you know you solve in decimal, it will be difficult for you. All you have to do is to change it to whole number. That's the equation. To change the whole number and solve. So the question is question number 8. And I read for both schools. The measure of one of the two supplementary angles is 30 degrees more than half the measure of the other angles. Find the measure of both angles. Find the measure of both angles. The measure of one of two supplementary angles is 30 degrees more than half the measure of the other angle. Find the measure of both angles.
Not.
Not.
You have 10 seconds. 1.
Yeah, veteran. Your answer is nothing about.
4.
Okay.
5.
One of the angle here instead will be. You get me? One of the angle instead will be 300 and lot of
9.
yeah.
Your answer 1. Your answer 2. Your answer 3. Your answer 5. Time.
Okay. One of the angle will be 300 and one will be. You get me? You get angle? Everybody never man.
We heard you. So give us a second. Give Thomas a second. Hold on. Give Thomas a second. Thomas, are you there?
I'm here. Are you guys not hearing me?
Yeah.
Fenya hearing, but you got down the mirror like me so come on now, Pedro.
Hold on.
Yeah, answer.
Jimmy Jogan, hold on. Not. What did you say? Jimmy Jogan, hold on. Now, what did you say?
I said one of the angle. I said it will be 300. You get me?
Yeah, one angle will be 300, and the other angle will be what?
Oh, would you find two angles there?
I think you are wrong.
You're wrong.
You are wrong. Sam, and you are wrong. Jimmy Jolocon. The measure of one of two supplementary angles is 300 is 30 degrees, more than half the measure of the other angle. Find the measure of both angles.
Yeah, take 150 degree and 30 degree.
You are wrong. 100 degree and 80 degree. Jimmy Jolocon, we just got supplementary angles and you are calling 300. Why should be some of the 180
I said 150.
I know. I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to. I say you are wrong. I'm not talking to you. Jimmy Jolocon.
Yes, veteran.
I just got supplementary angle and you are getting me 300. How possible is that? And you know
Yeah,
supplementary angle to be 180 degrees.
Yeah. Yeah, Massaquoi is 180 minus x, you got 30 plus 102 of 180 minus x. It's Massaquoi. 180 minus x is equal to 30 plus 102 of 180 minus x.
No, the answer is x plus Francis being 1 over 2x plus 30 equals is equal to 180 because supplementary degree, supplementary angle sum of 180 degree. It cannot be more than 180 degree.
But that's 180 minus x. 180 minus x is equal to 30 plus 102 into 180 minus x.
Why is the half? Why is the half in the equation I said you're not putting it there? Did you get it?
Yeah, 30 plus 102.
What's your teller again? Is it
180 minus x is equal to 30 plus 1 or 2 into 180 minus x.
Plus it's equal to 30 plus 1 over 2 what? 180
into 180 minus x.
180 into 180 minus x.
Yes.
No. The cell is wrong. Supplementary angle is some other 180 degree. Supplementary angle is some other 180 degree. And the question says that the measure of one of the two supplementary angles, that the supplementary angle is 2. But two angles some other make a supplementary angle. And the question is telling you that one of the two supplementary angle a 30 degree more than half the measure of the other angle. So you don't know the angle, you can use it to be any variable that x plus is 30 degree more than one half the other angle. So half the other angle is just x over 2 plus 30 because it's 30 degree more than half the other angle. So one angle is x and the other angle is x over 2 plus 30. And both just sum out to 180 degree and stuff. Exactly. Both just sum out to 180 degree and stuff for x. That's all. The last question. The question number last question from my game in that read. Find the exact value of cos parenthesis open 7 power over 12 equals using angle addition or subtraction formulas. Find the exact value of cos parenthesis open 7x over 12 equals using angle addition or subtraction formula.
Please repeat the question.
Nah.
Not. You have 10 seconds. What is the answer? 1, 2, 3.
Yeah. Yeah, Virgin. If you first play Fabi,
5.
you get me?
The answer.
Yeah, Virgin. If you first follow some power 12 will be cos 1 over, and when you follow simplify, when you first simplify, it will be you are the performance that cos A and plus cos 0.
6. The answer for your answer. 7.
Yeah, Virgin. It's what the root 2 means the root 2 of 4 plus another root 2 plus root 2 out of 4.
Root 2 plus root 2 of 4 is wrong. Root 2
Very correct.
Root 2 plus
Very
root 2 of 4 is
correct.
wrong. You said root 2 plus root 2 of 4 is wrong.
The next opponent. Let's continue.
You are wrong. Yeah. Root 2 plus root 2 of 4, you are wrong. What's the answer? Yeah.
Answer.
The square root of 2 plus the square root of 6 all over 4. The square root of 2 plus the square root of 2 plus the square root of 6 all over 4.
You came very close, but it's minus. It's root of 2 minus the root of 6 all over 4.
The square
root of 2 minus is minus, it's not plus. You came very close, but it's minus. It's not
I have one, Verdun.
Okay, what is the point?
Verdun.
Yeah.
What is the point?
Verdun.
Yeah, I'm listening to you. What's the point?
All right. Firstly, if I separate that, yeah, I want to judge my point, Verdun. You said you find cos 7 power 12. If I say
using addition or subtraction formula, yeah. So I don't know. Any matter you. Yeah,
this case will be
yeah. Whatever.
7 or 12 part. That's the question. Yeah. Now this will be a subtraction case. It will be power 3 minus power 4. And the alternative for cos, if you get cos, the sum and different alternative for cos. If you get cos, parentheses will be x minus y. It should be equals to cos x plus y plus sin x sin y. That's the alternative. So now, so it will be cos power 3, cos power 4 plus sin power 3, sin power 6 or 4. So now, if I do it, cos power 3.
Hello, there where the mistake come from. So you're using a subtraction formula as you said. Hello,
power 3 minus power 4, Verdun. Verdun, correct. Power 3 minus power 4. You get power 6.
No. Power over 3 power over 4 over minus power over 6.
Verdun, if you get power 3 minus power 4, you get power 12. If you simplify, you get power 12, Verdun. 100% correct, Verdun. In that case, it will be a subtraction.
No.
Subtraction case.
3 power over 4 minus power over 6. Check it. 3 power over 4 minus power over 6. That's it. 3 power over 3. Check it out.
If you use power 3 minus power 4, I'll be correct, Verdun. Power 3 minus power 4, I'll still get power 12.
I'm telling you the sum difference.
What you got? Too much walking through.
Hello, are you hearing me?
Verdun.
So using the subtraction. Hello, are you hearing me? Are you hearing me? Using the subtraction formula like you stated, cos is equal to 3 power over 4 minus pi over 6. So cos, like you said, cos will be in this subtraction formula be cos times cos plus sin times sin. That is cos 3 pi over 4 times cos pi over 6 plus sin 3 pi over 4 times sin pi over 6. In that you evaluate. So cos 3 pi over, listen, cos 3 pi over 4 will give you minus root 2 over 2, and cos pi over 6 will give you root 3 over 2. Sin 3 pi over 4 will give you root 2, and sin pi over 6 will give you half. So if you just substitute it in the equation, you get minus root 2 over 2 times root 3 over 2 plus root 2 over 2 times half. In this case, minus root 2 over 2 times root 3 over 2 will give you minus root 6 over 4. Root 2 times 1 over 2, root 2 over 2 times 1 over 2 will give you root 2 over 4. So the solution is minus root 6 plus root 2 over 4. So folks, that's how we come to the end of this wonderful match. Yeah, I'm listening to you. I'm listening to you.
I'm not prolonging time. I'm not prolonging time. Actually, but we are here to listen, right? Now,
Exactly.
7 power 12. 7 power 12 can be power 3 minus power 4. If you use power 3 minus power 4, you get my answer. If you use cos pi, it will be power 3 minus power 4. You get my answer. The two angle you choose, you said 3 power 4 minus power 6. That was the two angle you choose for 7 power 12. Right? And mine was power 3 minus power 4. If we do that, we get the same 7 power 12.
No,
what I'm saying is this: if you get power 3 minus power 4, it will give you power 12. And power 12 is
I know that. Yeah, I know that. I'm telling you, you're missing the sun. I'm telling you that you are missing the sun. That's what I'm telling you. You are missing the sun. Go back to your subtraction and addition rule. You're missing the sun.
Direct question.
Wait, Ellis right near you. Go there, Ellis something for you. Ellis right near you.
Thomas, and the answer is what you got for your answer?
The answer is minus root 6 plus root 2 over 4. He is saying positive root 6 plus root 2 over 4. He making mistake with the sun because we are using the subtraction rule. He's making mistake with the sun. He making mistake with the sun and the solution is making mistake with it. Feeling you come by my inbox and tell me say you're making mistake.
Oh, what happened
so
to
folks?
How did you understand Vanny? All right.
So folks,
Thomas,
I just want to say you're highly welcome. The score is 50 points to Jimmy Jolocon and 10 points to National Bani Massaquoi. The margin is 40 points in favor of Jimmy Jolocon.
All right, so we're not going to wait. There's nothing to wait for. Jimmy Jolocon, congratulations to you. I know you must be excited. I don't know when and how you're going to use this moment, but obviously the time to use this moment is going to come. The right time in the future, somewhere, for some reason, you have to use this moment to benefit you. All right. But at the moment, I have a question. The question to you is your math skill set. What do you intend to use it for?
Yeah. First day, I have a passion for cybersecurity. Cybersecurity is a computer analysis course, and I did research. I learned that there are computer courses that relates to mathematics, and one of those is cybersecurity. And which of course I have an interest in the course. I want to be a cybersecurity, and those mathematics topic that I search and I found, I'm trying to do research in it as it relates to my future field of study. And there are a lot of things mathematics have done for me or is continue doing for me. With the help of mathematics, I'm able to, I'm not 100% physicist, but I can work in line with physics, I can work in line with chemistry, and in the future, I'm planning to be a cybersecurity. Yeah. I want to use mathematics in computer knowledge, with the
Okay.
conceptual knowledge of computer.
So congratulations to you, your school, first and foremost. On the school's banner, you are here. Congratulations to you. We appreciate your family. You always speak highly of your mother. We extend our regards and appreciation to her. Continuing to put in the work, continuing to work on your fundamentals. That's all that's important. And best of luck to you in your endeavors. We hope to see you during the General Quiz Bowl. And we also hope that you be one of the students vying for the MVP for this year. All right. So let's wait. Let's see Nathaniel Vani to come in. But before you go, Thomas, I turn Vani over to you.
Yeah, funny. So thank you. Apparently you came
Yeah,
in as my boy. I think since 20.
Nathaniel Vani Massaquoi, can you hear us?
Yes.
I
Okay,
just
now
Yeah,
last year.
actually,
Thomas, can you hold 1 second? Let's speak to
mm,
Nathaniel Vani quick. 1 second, please. Nat, thank you
okay.
for coming back. So would like to say also congratulations to you, even though you're not the winner, but congratulations to you. You've proven that education, you one of the keys here, or should be making the case that education in Liberia should be decentralized. That means we should invest in education equally throughout the length and breadth of Liberia because they are the same youngsters, they are the same youth, and they deserve the same opportunity because they have the same brain power to push Liberia or to push our communities to development. So Nathaniel Vani Masakwe and student Johnson and Co. Let me turn the floor over to you now just to let us know exactly what do you intend to do with your math skills, your math skill sets. What do you intend to do with it? Nathaniel Vani Masakwe, can you hear me? Nat, can you hear me? All
No,
right, Thomas, I turn back to you.
in the first. Yeah, so I think. Oh, you said last year was that 2023? I thought it
Yeah.
was 2022.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Last year was my first.
You keep me 20. Oh, 2023. Oh, that's great. So you keep me 2023 and 2023. You went as far as your first year in the bowl game. You went as far as third place. That was great. We knew your strength. That's something that we know about. Almost everybody that take part in this bowl game. That certain question you will answer. We know your IQ when it comes to certain topics in mathematics, and that distinguish you from other students. We know of these things if you answer certain level of questions. So we know, likewise, Nathaniel Vani Masakwa and almost everybody that was in the semi-final. So we want to say thank you. Keep it up. Like you said, you want to become uh, a cyber agent. That's why you said you want to do cyber security. So almost my research, that what my research is in. Yeah. So reach out to me
Yeah,
later. We talk more about it. I have a research on that. I even have a paper coming up uh on that topic. So reach out to me and we talk about it more. Yeah.
All
So
right.
congratulations, and
I'll
I'm
invoice
very
you.
happy that you want to get in the computer field and going to Cyprus because that's where you see AI, you see AI, you see cryptographic, all of these fields. They were the computer age in the year 2024, they are all driving towards that path now. So it's a huge change for you there. For you, I mean, not just math, but reasoning is more to math. It's algebra of logic. You have to use more of it in it. Yeah, it's not just the normal math, but you have to think beyond the box. Yeah.
All
But
right.
however, we talk about it more uh, outside. Uh, so, folks, want to say thank you for joining us. We
So
are very, very
let's
grateful.
bring in a coordinator there from Montserrado County quick before the studio goes off. Montserrado County, please bring in a coordinator. All right, Mr. Cooper. Uh, you the one I know. I want to. Ramsey name for him to call you veteran father, but Ramsey will come after me. But yeah, you're doing so much. You are leaving your basic schedule, you are trading things off, and you're coming in the name of giving them a platform, in the name of making them to challenge themselves. And you're doing so much and forming a part of their memory. So we like to say thank you so much for the heavy lifting you're doing, and just a comment, a word or two as to what we should expect in the next few days, and how much this is making an impact on you too.
First of all, I would like to say a big thank you to our own schools, Profile Liberia and Dev Air Corps, and to all of the coordinators around the counties that have been putting in the work to see us reach this far. It is a kind of special moment for me. It is my second time sitting and experiencing this moment, especially when it comes to the math quiz board. The last year, we had two schools from Montserrado, and along the way, for each individual quiz board that we have, we build personal relationship with the students. We have time that we chat, we have conversations, we share our resources together, we share information, and we build that bond. And like I can tell myself usually it is a time that for each of the students that I cross path where I know that I'm crossing path with great people because of the kind of potential that they have and what I see, the kind of work that they are putting into their studies and into their personal lives. So it is a exceptional privilege for me as an individual, and I always look forward to working with them. And like I say, even for of the board games, wherever life leads them, in whatsoever means or way that we can contribute or we can help towards uplifting them, we are always available. And I want to say to my other coordinators, I'm so happy that you all put in the work. I'm sorry that Montserrado carrying it, like Joseph, he been putting a lot to see Bong carrying it. But it is what it is, this is what we do here. Yeah, this is Montserrado, this is what we do here. Yeah, so we hope to see them in the general board games. Please prepare your teams. We are coming. Montserrado is from what I'm hearing from the teams in Montserrado, they are preparing. So expect Montserrado for the general board game. We have a huge turnout from the schools, and we are expecting to have a very, very great, successful end of the year and, climaxing our entire project year for 2023, 2024.
All right. Thank you, Mr. Cooper. Thank you, Mr. Cooper. So, Vani, Mr. Cooper is going to take care of you, your transportation, and all of that, and we'll talk later. All right. So, okay, Thomas, come over to you. Let's take a moment there to recognize the 24 schools first and foremost who put in the work from the test of admittance to becoming a part of the first few fixtures, the first few games that were played until today. So we'd like to say thanks to all of the schools from 6 counties, Norfolk County, Bong County, Grand Bassa County, Macquarie County, Montserrado County, and we didn't have Grand Chia didn't come this year. So we like to say a big thanks to them, to the supporters out there, whether they're student, parents, school administrators, stakeholders of education, policymakers. We say it was a great time here. We had a great time with the kids. They're showing their talents. They're showing what they're made of, the level of mathematics they know, and to what extent maybe we can compare their mathematical skills to those in the sub-region, the global community. And we just say hats off to everybody. Job well done. And I'll turn you guys over to Thomas. And it's a goodbye for mathematics for the year 2024 for me. I look forward to the General Quiz Bowl and ending the project here. Thomas Sape, over to you.
So to the folks out there, we want to thank you. We are very, very grateful to have you following these programs we bring, the various games and the various board games we bring to you. We are grateful to have you following it and encouraging the students. However, before we leave, I will want to give the stats from the beginning of this year up to where we are, and also I will tell you that you should prepare for the general board games. That we have 16 schools invited to take part in the general board games, and these schools are not just generally invited or randomly invited. these schools mm, uh, they play their way through to reach to the level of invitation. So the invitation will be given based on they reaching to semi-final, quarterfinal. So folks, pair the board games starting with mathematics. We have 5 students rushing for the best mathematician for the year or the project year 2024. On the list, firstly, we have with no specific order, we have uh, Vani, we have student Vani, yeah. We have student Johnson A. Dodo. We have student Peter M. Buzzer. We have student P. Elzana S. Cole. We have student Jackson M. Dokoli. And we're moving on to general science with no specific order. We have student Benjamin P. Sama. We have student Benu V. Massaquoi. We have student Samuel K. Cody. We have student Davis, and we have student Saga. Moving on to the social studies quiz bowl with no specific order. We have student Prince M. Tio. We have student Paul P. Topa. We have student Zinam B. Flomo. We have student Anthony N. Kova. And we have student K. Morris Polly. And moving on to language art for the project year 2024, the 5 students we have, starting with student Arthur Wadagi Jr., we have student Oliver T. Jaka, we have student Mayo F. 12, we have student Obadiah G. S. Kamun, we have student Alfred D. Dua. And folks, for the list we have here, personally for the NVQ list we have here, we have 5 students that are on the NVQ list, and we have also 5 students that are also on the best female question list. So starting with the best female question list with no specific order, starting with the best female question list, we have student D. Ben Masakwe. Next, we have student Eta Japawodo. We have student Gifty G. Evans. We have student Jatu Bala. And we have student Patient Bongli. And
Patient from which school?
Patient is from Maguire. Maguire, the math student. Maguire.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So lastly, for our MVP works, we have with no specific order, we have student Vaniye, we have student Ato Walagi, we have student Elzana Ko, we have student Oliver C. Jaka, and lastly on the list, another list, we have student Mayo F. Sweat. So these are the 5 individuals that are on the list right now for the MVP. So without no specific order, these are the stats we we have here, and the stats will be over at the end of the general quiz bowl. So once again, we have 16 schools to qualify for the general bowl games. 16 schools to qualify for the general bowl games. The invitation will be sent out on tomorrow to each and every school, and you have a day to accept the invitation. So I think that's
Yeah, that's all from our end, and we'd like to say thanks to you. And please join us next week, July 12th, for the beginning of the General Quiz Bowl. Thank you for your time. Thanks for following us during the final, and we hope you had some enjoyable moments here today. Thank you, and God bless you.